Hey guys, welcome back to You Got Me Cooked Up. I'm Jack. Today I got another easy dish for you guys, shrimp fried rice. This one's pretty easy and you could use any leftover rice that you might have from the other day, and it's a delicious dish that's simple to do. Cook it right in your dorms or at home. Tell your mom to make it, doesn't matter. But yeah, let's get started. I'll run you guys through the ingredients and how to make it, and it should be pretty simple. Okay, so the main ingredient for shrimp fried rice is obviously rice. You want to have overnight rice from the day before, that way the texture is more grainier. You want to have your shrimps. You want to marinate it for 30 minutes in sake and a little bit of salt for flavoring, and it gets rid of the seafood taste as well. And you want some oyster sauce diluted in some water, and green onions, carrots and green peas if you like, or any other substitute vegetables that you want. Mix 2 eggs together, bit of cooking oil, salt, and of course white pepper. Okay, so to start out this dish, you want to go ahead and bring your pan to medium hot heat, and then you want to go ahead and put in your oil. Alright, once that heats up, you want to go ahead and put in your shrimp first. And go ahead and give it a good stir fry. Okay, you just want to watch the shrimp change colors. See how the orange color is starting to come in? Once you're done with the shrimp, you want to go ahead and put it to the side for now. Okay, now you want to put in more cooking oil. Then you want to go ahead and put in the green onions first. And you start to smell it, and that's when you know you can put in the next ingredient. Alright, and go ahead and grab your eggs. And you want to quickly stir fry that so it doesn't become one whole piece. And turn down your heat a little bit for this. Alright, now go ahead and grab your rice. Just toss that right in. And now go ahead and stir fry everything together. Now you want to grab some salt. You want to adjust according to your serving size. For us, this amount will do about 2 teaspoons. And then you want to also grab your white peppers. Depending on your personal preference, we do about 1.5 teaspoons. You can add more if you like. Okay, and then also grab your oyster sauce that's been diluted with water. And toss that in, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And depending on your own preference, you can add a little bit of sugar as well. Okay, now stir fry everything together.
you go ahead and toss in your veggies. We have carrots and green peas. You can add anything else you like.
Right now, once everything's stir fried, go ahead and add back in your shrimp. Make sure it's a little bit undercooked from earlier because you're gonna stir fry them again right now.
Okay, there you go, shrimp fried rice. If you want more green onions as garnish, you go ahead and add that as well, salt bay. But honestly, cooking your own shrimp fried rice is a lot better than going out, because if you go out at max, they'll give you like 4 shrimps and charge you like 12 bucks, which doesn't make any economical sense. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Mm.